Hi there, it's Hailey. Let's talk a little more about how to word your affirmations. You already know that you have to affirm positive messages rather than negative ones. Repeating over and over, "I won't keep hitting the curb when I'm driving," is going to groove the message that you do keep hitting the curb. And that's going to make hitting the curb even more likely in the future. Remember, you have to describe the you that you intend to become. I'm a careful driver, and I always ensure that I concentrate on my road position when I'm driving. Okay, so hopefully you knew that already. Now you need to focus on a few adjectives to describe the affirmations you choose. For example, they have to be realistic. Don't make it too hard for your subconscious to accept this training. If you've never touched a piano before, it's not realistic to earnestly repeat, "By next year, I'll be a concert pianist." Yes, your affirmations must stretch you to reach the next rung on the ladder. You won't experience much satisfaction if you make the improvement too easy, but make sure you strike the right balance between realistic, stretching, and reachable. See you tomorrow. Hailey.